मैम वेट 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 मैम वेट 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 मैम अरे यार ट्यूशन में दिखाई नहीं रहा था। अरे सर आया पीछे मैडम लुक हियर अजय भाई थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ। मैम लुक हियर मैम अजय भाई पीछे आ जाओ फोटो पीछे का भी मतलब पीछे सर पीछे ले लो 2 मिनट हाँ अजय भाई देखो फोटो मार के ना सर हाँ मार लो फोटो बस ना खाली हाँ मार ले अरे खड़ा मत रहना खड़ा क्यों हो रहा है 2 मिनट तो एकदम घुस जाना फिर बेटे का तो चले जाएगी भाई अजय भाई चले जाएगी भाई बैठ जा भाई अजय भाई पीछे आ जाओ पीछे ले थोड़ा मैम वीडियो के लिए पीछे सर आ रहा है इसके लिए देखो थैंक यू पासिंग मत करो ये प्रभात गार्डन घूम रहा है क्या
You're this side. Both of you here, please.
Ma'am, right, you are right.
So wait.
Ma'am, you're this side.
बैठ जाओ प्रशांत भाई बैठो
You're this side.
अरे बैठो ना यार प्रशांत पीछे आ जाओ सर वीडियो सर वीडियो अरे इधर शॉट को लेने दो चले भाई अजय हाथ नीचे ले भाई पीछे आ जाओ अजय भाई पीछे आ जाओ
कितनी खाली हो आपको
अरुण
ए भाई एक्सलर छोड़ ना जरा
क्या हुआ टेक भाई
अरे एक्सलर नीचे बैठ गया
3 days we kept it shut
Someone's better.
मैम लोग क्या बोला मैम अरे ओके सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन आप कुछ दिन बाकी रहे एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा आप बताइए आप कितने आपने देखा ट्रेलर
बिल्कुल देखा वो बहुत मजा आया
और ये फिल्म भी देखने वाले हैं
हाँ ऑफ कोर्स फिल्म भी देखने वाले हैं इनफैक्ट इट्स वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट सॉन्ग्स फ्रॉम AK's मूवी
एके दिनों तो अच्छा एवरी हां
AK ही किल मी बाय बनवा
हाँ जी तो कुछ ही दिन बाकी रह गए तो आप कितने एक्साइटेड
मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ उत्सुकता से मैं वेट कर रही हूँ कि मेरी फिल्म अच्छी सी रिसीव होए और आई होप पीपल अंडरस्टैंड एंड लव द फिल्म एंड एम्ब्रेस इट
एंड हमें ये मेन कलेक्शन भी देखने को मिल रहा है तो कुछ जरा बताइए कितना डिफरेंट है आई नो कुणाल जी से जानेंगे लेकिन पहले आपसे कि आपने वेट
मैं एक्चुअली ये इट्स अ बंडी विद अ बंदला एंड ये कुणाल ने मुझे प्रेजेंट किया है नहीं किया मैंने
प्रेजेंट
किया है इट्स अ सेल्फ ऑन सेल्फ एम्ब्रॉयडरी इट्स एक्चुअली 2 टोन्स ही सेइंग और थ्रेड वर्क है और आई वोन इट अंडर एन अनामिका खन्ना आउटफिट आई वोन इट ओवर एन अनामिका खन्ना आउटफिट And I think menswear and women's wear mixed looks amazing, and I can't wait for Kunal to start a women's wear line.
मेंस कलेक्शन कितना लाइक करती है जब भी फ्री होती है घर में कि वाचिंग ऑल मेंस?
हाँ, मुझे बहुत पसंद है एंड टू ड्रेस एंड्रोजिनस. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी कूल. इनफैक्ट मैंने 2-3 बार कुणाल के मेंस वेयर पहना है प्रमोशंस के लिए और उनके शोज़ के लिए, शूट्स के लिए.
तो एक बार मेरे कपड़े के बारे में बात करें. क्लोथ्स का इंटरव्यू है ये.
Okay, so honestly, एक लड़की को देखा is such an important film, and this question is as important as this film. But right now, because this film is so important, I want to concentrate on that. But thank you for asking me this question at such an event.
Tell us about Kunal and your friendship with him. You've always worn his clothes and he'll always look extremely gorgeous in them.
Thank you. Huh?
What is...
She's a hard one, huh? I love when Kunal's one of my best friends. He's my oldest friend. I've been friends with him since I was 3 years old. But that doesn't mean I have to wear his clothes, because I have a lot of friends who do fashion, and I mean who I've known my whole life. I love wearing Kunal's clothes. I think they're very cool. In this era of over embellishment, I think when you're subtle, it screams louder than when you are overdressed or overdone. And so I love the class and the, you know, I just love his clothes, you know, and so I think it's cool, and it is edgy, but it's not edgy in your face, like it's not loud, and I think for me that is more rebellious than something that's like louder.
Apart from the clothes that you're wearing, any of the outfits upstairs that caught your eye?
Well, I really like this unfitted, like I think it was Khadi Kunal, like
Yeah.
just sent, huh?
I've
Khadi.
done handloom fabrics.
Handloom
for
fabrics,
the
uh-huh.
process.
So I think it was like a navy with a light blue that I definitely
Correct.
want for Anand, and there was the same thing in white that I want for Anand as well.
Kunal, what do you feel when she wears your clothes? How proud of you? Obviously, you have a very deep friendship as well.
Correct. So firstly, it's proud because you see what she's doing with fashion, and I think that's what was needed here. So there's a very strong voice, and more than anything, I feel there are very few people over here. There should be a lot more who have as much fun with their clothes as Sonam does. Because at the end of the day, fashion, how you dress, it's about a feeling. It's about how you feel. It's an emotion.
Shella,
And so yeah, so one of our friends. Anyway. So. Yeah, so I think it's about an emotion, and not too many people dress and enjoy what they wear as much as she does. Whether it's men's wear, women's wear, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter.
I
And she
think-
makes an impact with
Yeah,
a lot of looks, and
I think,
what she's done with this look today, it was such a pleasant surprise to me too.
I really believe a lot in gender fluidity. I think clothes should be made for a man and a woman. I don't believe that, you know, I feel clothes should be gender neutral in general. So for me, it's very exciting to wear clothes that people perceive as menswear. And when I see men dressed in clothes that people would perceive as women's wear, I think it's very, very cool. And I mean, you just, like you said, you have to have fun with it.
Ma'am, there are many films made on sports personality, business personality and political personality. So do you think film personality should also be this one? The subject should be made on a film as
I mean, I did a film called Sanju, which was did very, very well, and I mean, yeah, we have controversial lives, I guess.
Yeah.
स्यापा की ज़रूरत होती है ना कोई भी स्टोरी में.
But it's not easy to make a film on a film personality. There are objections from the family or colleague or friends. So what do you have to say about it?
I don't know. I mean, it depends. I always believe in honesty, and the truth should always come out. Thank you.
अरे वो श्रीदेवी के
पीछे आ जाओ दोनों। वीडियो के लिए वीडियो के लिए
So different pose for media. Start on your left and right. That's it.
Nice.
Left to right. Yes.
Thank you. वरती करायचं सर यहाँ पे अभी
क्या
आता है ना
Sides up. Thank you.
अनिल जी चलो आ जाओ। अनिल जी कुणाल का जो क्या विश करना चाहेंगे आप अपने अंदाज में?
How did you like the collection?
एंड लव फ्री की भी बातें करेंगे सर थोड़ी बहुत।
मैं सबसे पहले तो मैं कलेक्शन की बात करूंगा कि कलेक्शन बहुत ज़बरदस्त है। मैंने ऑलरेडी 2 ले लिए हैं, सिलेक्शन कर लिया है मैंने, एक ब्लैक में और एक ऑफ वाइट में। कल मेरे घर में पहुंच जाने चाहिए।
फैक्ट्री पे उसका काम चालू हो चुका है
एंड
बिल्कुल
एब्सोल्युटली ये रिकॉर्ड हो चुका है। बट अदरवाइज दिस इज़ अ वेरी आइकॉनिक प्लेस रिदम हाउस, यू नो वी फ्रॉम द टाइम इट्स सो आइकॉनिक एंड ही इज सो फॉर्चुनेट टू गेट दिस ब्यूटीफुल एज द पीपल से ऐसे घर और बिजनेस का होना चाहिए। फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज लोकेशन so the location is fantastic, it's iconic, and I think you're very blessed, very lucky, and of course ultimately एक आदमी रेस्टोरेंट खोलता है या कोई कपड़े या फिल्म देखता है तो most important is the content, it's the story, it's the food and it's the clothes, and whatever I've seen, and obviously I know him as a kid from the time he's grown up. He's Sonam's and Ria's friend, and his growth as a designer has been absolutely phenomenal, and he deserves all the success. And this is his first sign of success. He's arrived in a big way. Kunal Rawal has arrived in a big way.
सर कुछ ही दिन बाकी रह गए हैं। एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा के लिए कुणाल को ट्रेलर बहुत ही पसंद आया, सोनम मैडम भी आई थी तो बहुत ही तारीफ की। आप बताइए आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं? हमने
देखिए मैं ये दिस इज़ व्हाट इट इज़, इट्स सेट लव फ्री, सो दैट्स व्हाट इट इज़। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो फिल्म ऐसी है कि हर एक इंसान के, लड़की के, लड़के के, हर हम सब के एक सीक्रेट है, समझा ना, सीक्रेट। तो वो सीक्रेट जो है वो हर आदमी छुपा के रखता है और अपने दिल में रखता है, बहुत दुखी होता है, बहुत अपसेट होता है। मगर ये जो फिल्म देखने के बाद सब अपनी अपने सीक्रेट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं डिस्क्लोज करेंगे, क्योंकि आप अपने आप को हल्का महसूस करेंगे। तो इट्स बियॉन्ड अ लव स्टोरी दिस फिल्म, एंड व्हेन यू सी द फिल्म you'll understand what it is. It's a very important film for Sonam, for Rajkumar, for me, for Vinod Chopra, for all of us. It's a very important film, and releasing on 1st of February. and it's a film which I think everybody should watch it, and then we can, you know, and then you know what I'm talking about.
The film has also gone through a little bit of turmoil right now with the controversy with Raju Irani, so that's happening. Do you want to comment anything about that?
Well, at the moment, I think the film is much more important. So I think let's speak about the film, and that's what is more important.
Kunal, how do you feel when Anil sir wears your collection? I mean, he's an evergreen man, obviously.
Evergreen man means he puts us all to shame.
Yeah.
Now my relationship with AK goes like I've known him my whole life, and see, the thing is, it's knowing somebody on a personal level is different, but asking somebody to wear your clothes and wanting your clothes on somebody, that's a completely different ball game. You know, I've been the biggest AK fan for the longest time. I've looked up to him personally and professionally, but the thing is, he was my first showstopper, and every time I see him in my clothes, in fact, he's somebody I take a lot of feedback from. He's somebody who gets all my samples, whether they have reached the retail level or not. Even if it's a thought, even if it's a new fabric, a certain wash, a certain new cut, I always take his advice on things, because I feel he has such an individualistic style, and I think he owns whatever he does. It's not only what he wears, I think he owns whatever he does, and that's what makes him who he is.
And it's how proud of you, all your kids, and even if I can say Kunal is also one of them, obviously. So
And absolutely, he's like a son. He's like been like a son to me. You know, they all grown up in front of me, and I'm very, very proud of him. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you.